So in this video, you'll learn how to combine the notifications panel and the quick settings menu on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So if you're tired of bringing down the panels on each of its own sides and you'd like to combine it for speedy accessibility, this is what you're going to do. You're just going to simply swipe down to bring up the quick settings menu, and you're going to tap on this option labeled edit, which is this pencil icon. From here, you're going to select panel settings, and then you can see it's currently set to separate. So just simply choose the option together. And once you've done that, tap on the back button and make sure that you tap on done to save the changes. So now, whenever you bring down or swipe down from the top of the screen, you should be able to see your notifications panel. And if you continue swiping, the quick settings menu is now available. And so that is how you can combine both menus together for speedier accessibility. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.